In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google location. This will help you tailor your search results to a specific country or region, which can be particularly useful if you're doing research that requires information from a particular place, or if you're traveling and want to get search results relevant to your current location. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to google.com. Once you're there, take a moment to locate the settings at the bottom right corner of the page. You might see a gear icon or simply the word Settings. Go ahead and click on that. There will be several options that appear, and from those, choose Search Settings. This will direct you to a page with various options that allow you to customize your search experience. Once you're on the Search Settings page, take a look at the left-hand side panel. Among the different categories, you should find one labeled Other Settings. Click on that to reveal a new set of options. Now, under the Other Settings section, you're going to focus on the part that says Language and Region. This is where you can make changes that will directly affect the location of your search results. Proceed by clicking on Language and Region. Here you'll see a couple of different options related to the language and geographical region settings for your Google search. What you want to do next is focus specifically on the Results Region section. Clicking here will present you with a drop-down menu or list of various countries and regions. This is your opportunity to select the location that best suits your needs. If you're looking to get search results from a specific part of the world, go ahead and select the desired country or region from this list. Choose wisely, as this will alter the search results to be more relevant to that particular location. Whether you're seeking detailed information from a specific country or just need to keep in touch with news back home while you're abroad, these settings can be extremely beneficial. After selecting your preferred location, it's a good idea to save your changes. Usually, there should be a Save button at the bottom of the settings page. Make sure you click on it to apply your new settings. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Google location settings. Now your search results should reflect the region you have chosen, giving you more relevant information tailored to your selected place. This small change can make a huge difference in the type of content and information you receive from Google searches. Hopefully, this guide has been clear and helpful for your needs. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out, and thank you for tuning in today.